Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. Today, let's study a short poem, The Mountain and the Squirrel, written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Page number 115, The Mountain and the Squirrel. Okay, shall we start? So, this is a short poem written by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and in this poem, we can see a huge mountain insults a tiny squirrel. It's a big mountain insults a tiny squirrel, and the valuable life lesson the squirrel teaches the mountain in reply. Okay, shall we start? So, before that, let me ask you something. What are you all good at? What are your qualities? What are your abilities? We all have many qualities. We are good at many things, isn't it? We have many qualities, abilities, skills, talents, etc. We all have positive and negative qualities in us, within us. Does your friend have the same quality that you possess? നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ടിന് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള അതേ ക്വാളിറ്റീസ് ആണോ? നോ, നെവർ. Somebody is good at singing, some are good in study, some are good in painting, some don't know even how to hold a brush, isn't it? So all are different. God has made each one of us different. We all possess some or other qualities within us. Your friends must have some qualities which may differ from you. നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള ക്വാളിറ്റീസ് ആയിരിക്കില്ല നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനുള്ളത്. So never ever compare yourself to others. It is not at all good. It's a comparison. So never compare yourself to others, because each one is different. Okay, so here in this poem we are going to study how a mountain, a big mountain, insults a tiny squirrel. Okay, so this poem is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. So who is the poet? Ralph Waldo Emerson. He was an American poet. Okay, he was an American poet, essayist, lecturer and philosopher. And he is widely regarded as one of the most significant writers of the United States of America in the 19th century. And he wrote a wide range of subjects such as freedom, an individual's place in the world, and the relationship between the soul and the surrounding world. So some of his well-known poems are The Mountain and the Squirrel, Concord Hymn, Brahma, and Uriel. His famous essays include what? Self-Reliance, The Poet Circles, Nature, and Experience. So he wrote a number of essays and poems. He's an American poet. He was born in 1803 and died 1882. Okay. So this is his short poem, Ralph Waldo Emerson's poem, The Mountain and the Squirrel. So actually this is a dialogue between a mountain, a huge mountain, and a tiny small squirrel. Okay, so the mountain, actually the mountain is proud of its size, and he looks down upon a squirrel and calls it what? A little prig. So the mountain and the squirrel. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter little prig. So once what happened? There was a quarrel. There was an argument between a mountain and a squirrel. Once there was a quarrel between a mountain and a squirrel. The quarrel started when the mountain called the squirrel little prig. Little prig. So prig means what? What is a prig? Prig means a small, what is an annoying person. It's an annoying person who has a great attitude problem. ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് പ്രോബ്ലം, ഭയങ്കര ഒരു എന്തോ ആണെന്നൊരു ഭാവത്തിൽ നടക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാരെയാണ് പ്രിഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് പേഴ്സൺസ് ഹാവിങ് ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് പ്രോബ്ലം ആൻഡ് അനോയിങ് ക്യാരക്ടർ. Okay, so the mountain called the squirrel little prig and started their quarrel. Okay, so here the poet personifies mountain as a human being. ഒരു ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്ങിനോട് പെസോണിഫൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ദ പോയറ്റ് പെസോണിഫൈസ് ദ മൗണ്ടൻ ആസ് എ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്. സോ there occurred a quarrel between the mountain and the squirrel. How did it start? Because when the mountain called the squirrel little prig, the quarrel started. Then the squirrel gives several arguments to justify its existence. It gives what? Several arguments. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter little prig. So here former and latter. Former here means the first one, that is mountain, first person, mountain. Latter is the second person, squirrel. So the former means the mountain called, the latter means the squirrel. The mountain called the latter little prig. Okay, Bun replied. Bun here means old form of, it means squirrel. Okay, so Bun replied, you are doubtless very big. You are doubtless very big. So the squirrel says that but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a ear and a spear. So the bun replied, squirrel replied, you are doubtless very big. Yes, I know. You are very big. That is undoubtedly. I can say that you are very big. No doubt. I have no doubt you are very big. So you are doubtless very big. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken together to make up a ear and a spear. So here spear means earth. To make up a ear, to make up a spear, all sorts of things and weather must be taken together. So here the poet says that, the squirrel says that, to make up a ear or a spear, all sorts of things and weather must be taken together. All sorts of things and weather means all weather conditions. All weather condition, words such as rain, storm, spring, summer, winter, autumn, etc. So all weather conditions must be taken together to form to make up a year, to complete a year. So the squirrel says that, I know you are very large, but how can you compare yourself to me? Okay, so I know undoubtedly you are very big. But if we want to complete a year, if we want to make our earth or universe, many things must be taken together. Many things must be taken together. And then but all sorts of things and weather must be taken together to make up a ear and a spear. Spear means earth. Okay, then, and I think it's no disgrace to occupy my place. So then what? You are so small as I and not half so spry. So the squirrel gives several arguments what to justify its existence. Disagree means what? Disgrace means what? That is shameful. Something that is shameful. And I think it is no disgrace. The squirrel says that it is no disgrace to be a squirrel. It is no disgrace to be a squirrel. I am small, but I have my own place in this world. I am small, but I have my own to occupy my place means I am, even though I am small, I have my own space in this world, in this earth to occupy myself. Okay, and God has made God has made me small. God has made me different. We all are different, isn't it? We all are different. We should not laugh at each other. So, everything, every animal and things in this world, what has their own places, their own values, importance in this world. Okay, or they have their own talents, skills, abilities, and the size, shape, color, etc. of a person or an animal or a thing that make no difference at all. Size, shape, color, etc. of a person, place, animal, things, everything has make no difference at all. So everything in this world has equal importance, has a place to occupy. I know you are not so small as I and not half so spry. So the squirrel says that I know you are large, but how can you compare yourself to me? I am small, but I am spry. Spry means lively, energetic and lively. I am very small, but I am very much lively. I am energetic than you. Yes, I will agree. I live. Then what? The squirrel is very small, but it is energetic, more lively than the mountain. You are not so small as I and not half so spry. Then I will not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. I will not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. So the squirrel says that I'll agree, I live on you. As you are a mountain, I live on you. And there is such a pretty squirrel track upon you. ആ മൗണ്ടനിൽ ഒരു ട്രാക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. ദ സ്കുറൽ ഈസ് ലിവിങ് ദെയർ. ഐ നോ ഐ ലിവ് ഓൺ യു. There is such a beautiful, pretty squirrel track upon you that I know I accept. Talent differ. All is well and wisely put. The squirrel argued that what talents differ, we all are different. Everything is wisely put in this world by God. Okay, I know what you do, I cannot do. And what I do, you cannot do. If I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut. So the squirrel argued that I cannot carry forest on my back. എൻ്റെ പുറകിൽ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ചുമന്നുകൊണ്ട് പോകാനായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് പറ്റത്തില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് ഐ ആം സോ ടൈനി, ഐ ആം സോ ടോൾ. സിമിലർലി യു കനോട്ട് ക്രാക്ക് എ നട്ട്. ദ മൗണ്ടൻ കനോട്ട് ക്രാക്ക് എ നട്ട്. ഒരു നട്ടിനെ കടിച്ച് പൊട്ടിക്കാനായിട്ട് മൗണ്ടനും പറ്റില്ല. So everything in this world has its own skills, abilities, importance. Okay, so we cannot ridicule, we cannot laugh, we should not laugh at others. Size, shape, color, etc. doesn't matter at all. Make no difference. So that is what the squirrel tries to say. So the poet tells us that both big and small, rich and the poor, have a what distinct quality and a definite place in this world. Everything is God's creation, isn't it? One should not laugh at others. We should not laugh at others. We should not ridicule others. കളിയാക്കാൻ പാടില്ല മറ്റുള്ളവരെ. Neither of us should be considered as weak or useless. The mountain with its bigness and squirrel with its smallness have their definite and meaningful place in this world. God has created everything in this world. Who created everything in this world? God has created everything in this world with a purpose. ഒരു പർപ്പസോട് കൂടിയാണ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So everything, big or small, whatever it is, has its own importance. Everything is valuable and necessary. Everything in this world are valuable and necessary. So we should not laugh at others, because everybody in this world had equal importance, big or small, whatever it is, that make no difference at all. Okay, that is the content of this poem. I'll read it once again. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter little prig. Former means the mountain called the squirrel little prig. And Bun replied, Bun means squirrel replied, "You are doubtless very big. I know you are very big. There is no doubt in it. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a spear. But to make up a year, to complete a year, or to make a world, we have to put many things together. And many weather conditions also we need must be taken it together to form this world." Okay, then what? And I think it no disgrace. I have no disgrace. I have no shame. I'm not ashamed of myself, because I occupy my place. To occupy my place, I have a specific place in this world. If I'm not so large as you, you are not so small as I. I know you are very big and I am very small. And not have so, even though you are so large, you are not so energetic or lively as me. I will not delay you, Meg. I know I live on you. There is a beautiful track upon you, because you are a mountain. Then talents differ, and all is well and wisely put. God has put everything, wisely put everything in this world. If I cannot carry forest on, that is the difference. The squirrel says that I cannot carry a forest on my back. Similarly, you cannot crack a nut. So everything in this world what has equal importance. God has created everything with a purpose. Big or small has its own importance. Everything is valuable and necessary in this world. So never ridicule or laugh at others. That is the content of this poem. Okay, so study well. I'll send the notes through your class group. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.